Hello Jaswin. Today we are going to revise our chapter 1. The earth is our home. Home is a place where we live. As we all live on planet earth, so planet earth is our home. Our earth is home to all living things. As you know that we can divide all the things in two categories, living and non-living things. So all living things are present on our planet earth. These living things include plants, animals and human beings. All living things need land, water and air to live. And all these things are present only on our planet Earth. That is why Earth is the only planet where life is possible. Do you know that our Earth is made of land and water? As you can see, the Earth is rotating. The blue part is water and the rest is land. So about 1/4 of the earth is made up of land and the rest is water. So 70% of the earth is water and rest is land. So about 1/4 of the earth is made up of land. As you all know that when we feel cold, we cover ourselves with the things that can make us feel warm. Similarly, the earth is surrounded by a layer of air to keep itself warm and so that the temperature can be just right for all the living things to survive on the planet. And this layer is called atmosphere. It is a mixture of gases like oxygen, nitrogen, etc. So the two main gases that are present in atmosphere are oxygen and nitrogen. Do you know that all living things need air to breathe? Living things like human beings, plants, animals. Can you tell me which gas do we need for breathing? Human beings need oxygen for breathing. And can you tell me which gas do plants take for breathing? Plants take in carbon dioxide for breathing. Similarly, all living things need air to breathe. Oh Jaswin, do you know that the people of earlier times did not know the exact shape and size of earth? They used to think earth to be flat with sharp edges. Edges means corners. So early people used to think that earth is a flat surface, as you can see in the picture, and it has a sharp corners also. So they were scared of traveling to far off places. Why they were scared? Because they used to think that they would fall off if they went to the edge of the earth. They used to think if they travel to far off places and they reach the edge, that is the corner of the earth, they are going to fall from that. Aristotle, a Greek philosopher and scientist, said that the earth was round and it had no sharp edges. So he told everyone that earth is round and not like the people used to think in earlier times that it is flat. So earth is round like a ball and it don't have sharp edges also. Around 500 years ago, Ferdinand Magellan a Portuguese sailor started his journey from Spain to study the shape of the earth. He, along with his sailors, sailed in the same direction towards the west. After sailing for about 3 years, they reached the same place from where they started. So this proved that the earth is round like a ball. So Ferdinand Magellan was a Portuguese sailor. He started his journey from the Spain in order to study the shape of the earth. So after 3 years of sailing in the same direction towards the west, he reached the place from where he started his journey, and this proved that earth is round like a ball. Now what is a horizon? The place where land and sky or water and sky seem to meet is called a horizon. That means they are not actually meeting, but we feel that land and sky or water and sky are meeting, but in actual they are not meeting. So this place is called horizon. Now what is coast? The meeting place of land and sea is called coast, and in this it is actually meeting. Can you solve this riddle? I am a big ball of fire. I give you heat and light. I am the sun. Sun is a big ball of fire and it gives you heat and light. Every morning the sun rises in the east. There is a bright sunlight during the daytime. In the evening, the sun slowly disappears in the west. Now we can see the moon and few twinkling stars in the sky. The sun, moon, stars and other planets in the sky are called heavenly bodies. The sun has a big family which is called the solar system. The members of solar system are sun, which is a big star. Planets, they move around the sun, and there are total 8 planets. Satellites or moon, they move around their planets. Our earth is the 3rd planet in the solar system. The moon is its only natural satellite. It goes around the earth. So earth moves around the sun and the moon moves around the earth. The sun is located at the center of the solar system. It is the largest member of the family. It is a hot ball of fire and it gives you heat and light. So that's all for this chapter. Revise it thoroughly and meet you again. Bye-bye. Let's revise solar system. Solar system is the family of sun, and sun is at the center of the solar system. It includes planets, moon and other heavenly bodies. There are total 8 planets. These are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune.